Hello, my friends. Welcome to Crafty Christmas in July 2023. This is a collaboration that I have joined in on, and it is hosted by Sweet Pea Papers and Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling. Today, I'm going to make belly bands, and I am planning on using these belly bands in the Christmas in July journal that I'm making. So I'm excited to do it because it's been a while since I made some belly bands. I wanted to let you know that there are 14 collaborators in Crafty Christmas in July 2023 and 2 hostesses whom I already mentioned in the beginning of the video. I wanted to let you know that I will have everybody listed in my description box. So you can go check them out and see what everybody's makes are. Each of us will be making at least 2 videos per week during the month of July. While I'm working on my belly bands, I also want to mention to you that Sweet Pea Papers and Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling have some giveaways. You can find their links in my description box. You can go to their Facebook channels or you can go to their YouTube channels to find out more. As you can see, I went ahead and I cut papers into strips. I am using 2 different Christmas scrapbook packs. As you can see, they lean into the pastels. And for the pages of my journal, I'm using my Retro Christmas digital kit, and you can find that in my Etsy shop if you're interested. I cut 3 different size strips, obviously all the same height, but then 3 different size strips in varying patterns. And now I'm just going through the patterns, trying them out, seeing which ones look good together. I've made my final decision, so now I'm going to go ahead and start gluing the pieces together. I wanted to thank you all for being here, and I wanted to tell you how much I truly appreciate it. I'm approaching 3,000 subbies. I have a couple hundred more to go, and that does take time, but I'm very excited, and I will definitely be doing a giveaway as I get a little bit closer to 3,000. I wanted to be sure to thank you all for your support and tell you how much I appreciate it. If you're new here by chance and you are finding me through this collaboration, I want to thank you so much for being here, popping over, taking a chance on my channel. I hope you enjoy the content, and I hope that you will also subscribe to my channel. So I've got the strips glued into place. Now I'm checking out different pieces of ephemera to see what looks good. Now the ephemera pieces are from my digital kit, but also some of the pieces from the scrapbook kits that I'm using. I think I have settled on the ones that I want to use, so I'm cutting them to size so that they will fit the belly band. Then I will ink around the edges, and then I'll glue them on. Chances are I'll add a little bit more details. This pretty pink ink pad just recently on one of my trips to, I think I picked that one up at Michael's, but if it wasn't Michael's, it was Hobby Lobby. I hadn't been to either one in a while, and I had gift cards to use, so I had fun going in there and getting some new stuff. Now that I've got the cut-aparts on, I'm going to go ahead and add some lace. This is some of the lace that was given to me by Lisa of Lisa's Paper, Lace, and Bling. I'm using my Fabri-Tac on this one. I'm putting a piece of lace at the top of the belly band, at the very bottom of the belly band. Then I'm going to add another piece, actually two more pieces, one at the bottom of the deer cut apart, and then one at the top of the deer cut apart. Once I get that on, this belly band will be complete. I will be sure to show them to you up close at the end of the video. The second belly band is going to be pretty easy. I'm just going to use my gem tack, add a half-back rhinestone to the center of the snowflake, and once that's dry, this belly band will be all done. Now I'm going to start working on this little pink tree, and we have to have a little rhinestone at the top for the star. That's just a must. And then once we do that, I'm going to go ahead and add some lace to this one as well. I'm going to add some right under the Christmas tree so that it looks like a tree skirt. I really like the way that these turned out. Let me show them to you up close. Thanks for watching. See you soon.